Hi there, my name is Darren Lage, and in this presentation I'm going to talk about how I envision artificial intelligence is going to impact democracy around the world, as well as democratic institutions and processes around the world. Once again, this presentation has been co-created by Claude by Anthropic, a generative AI, as well as some images from this presentation have been created by Stable Diffusion. Firstly, I think it's very important to distinguish that this conversation about AI's impact on democracy is not in the future tense. We've already seen the development of AI start to augment the processes of various back-office tasks used in democratic institutions. Before making this video, I was lucky to have done a little bit of research on how the Department of Labor has been using AI in their processes. And some examples from that department include AI being used to transcribe audio, process payroll forms, and perform various customer service tasks such as chatbots. Now, these uses of AI in the Department of Labor, I'm sure, are being used to speed up processes in other departments of democracy as well. Some cutting-edge instances of AI are also able to provide accurate political analysis. Through using data found on social media and other platforms, this might allow political leaders to take actions more reflective of their constituents' ideals. Even though the automation and augmentation of office work and cutting-edge political analysis will undoubtedly provide benefits to democracy, if left unchecked or unregulated, these same emerging technologies could spell out some more issues for us as a society. For instance, the emergence of deepfakes created by generative AI has influenced certain elections in America, so much so to the point where the military is engaged in a research arms race in order to further develop and understand these generative technologies before enemies or potential enemies of the US could use them to undermine our democratic processes. Because of this, many people have called upon social media companies to integrate stricter regulations on deepfake and AI-generated content on their platforms. Unfortunately, though, because these are third parties and ultimately content is distributed by the users, these rules have failed to be implemented. Many democratic societies throughout the world are already facing a problem with misinformation being spread so rapidly. And generative AI, as well as social media, are going to continue to exacerbate that problem until we are able to regulate it. A lack of regulation on these algorithms is also beginning to become a criminal justice issue, as some predictive sentencing algorithms are leading to results that exacerbate and perpetuate already existing racial issues within our justice system. Admittedly, this isn't the algorithm's fault, but rather because the data that the algorithm is based on is collected in a biased manner. Even though this has all sounded very grim so far, the integration of artificial intelligence into various mainstream democratic processes also gives us the unique opportunity to engage with democracy like never before. Cutting-edge AI algorithms that hold our elected officials accountable, as well as citizenry oversight boards on the integration of AI into mainstream democratic processes, are just a few of the examples in which the people can have a say over the AI that might help their government. Taking proactive measures and establishing early warning signs are going to be the key to ensuring that AI moving forward is aligned with both democratic and human values. Right now, we're faced with an interesting choice. We can either continue to exacerbate our racial, misinformation, and bias problems within society, or we could use artificial intelligence to make our democracy more fair and efficient for everyone. Here are all of the sources where I got the information where I talked about today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.